Hi, George here. And I thought today I would show you an example of what happens when generative AI fails and what to do instead. Now, here's a picture I've used a few times. And normally, just to remove the person in the background, it's fairly straightforward clone stamping or content aware fill. Nothing dramatic about that. Much easier here in Photoshop Elements 2026. Let me just demonstrate this part of it. And I'll go up here and grab the Remove tool and click on Find People in Background. Now, I didn't get some of this shadow down here, or seaweed, I guess. So I'm just going to extend that selection right there. Just bring that in. There we go. Hit the Done button. That'll remove all of that for us. That easy. Now, here's the interesting part. Let's just replace the sky. You would think AI could do this, and that's where you might be wrong in this case. Okay, so first go up here to Select, and we'll use Select Sky right there. Let that figure that out. So we have our sky selected. Let's now just replace that sky. Should be easy. Over here to Generative AI and use the Insert button right there. And let's come down here and just put in just some scattered clouds in a blue sky. Easy enough. Choose Generate, and let's see what we get. And there you go. You can see the kind of odd stuff that's happening in here. I don't know what he's wearing. Let's try our second option here. Even stranger. I mean, the sky is good, but I don't know what's up with those pants. Here's another one. Even stranger still. And one more. Very, very weird. So you can see AI just cannot figure out this image. And the problem is it doesn't know what this is. AI works on having a whole lot of sample images, and then it looks at those sample images, tries to figure out what the picture is about, and then uses those as reference. And it can't find any reference for this particular pose. And because of that, it doesn't know what to do. Let me show you how to handle this with tools that we have here inside of Photoshop Elements, and I've had them for a little while. Go over here to the Guided Edit. Then you want Special Edits and Perfect Landscape right here. We can ignore step 1. We can ignore step 2. That's fine. Let's come down here and choose a new sky. I'll just choose this blue 2 right here. There are a lot of skies to choose from, but this should work. And there we go. Perfect. No problem on this person in here, and a beautiful blue sky in the background. You could even change to different skies if you want to. I'll just click on Next. We'll go back over to Advanced. So there you go. Very easy to do this, actually. It's a simple project, but something which just is not appropriate for generative AI. If you want to learn a lot more about how to use Photoshop Elements and all of the tools that do work all the time, I have a complete training course for Photoshop Elements, and I'll put a link for that at the top of the description.